Here are the parts it comes with. It has the handheld sprayer or head, then it has the main head. Really kind of cool, the black and white, I really like that. Then this is just an adhesive, you stick it on the shower and it will stick there. You got your tubing, and then you've got some Teflon tape and some extra grommets if you need it. So you want to clean and dry the wall really well, and then this just sticks with the adhesive, so place it where you want it and secure. Nice. All of the connectors have rubber grommets in it, so technically you do not need and probably shouldn't use the Teflon tape that's provided. Alright, so we've got everything installed. I really like that black and white design, that looks cool. Unfortunately, my pipe is angled down, so I had to angle this up and I should barely be able to fit under it. We're gonna try it out tonight and see. This knob is used to tighten, as well as this knob, so you can tighten and kind of set where you want things to go. I am excited to try it out. So you do have this knob to determine which head you want it to come out of. So let me scoot back a bit. Whoa. Nice. Let's flip this over. Ooh. So you can do two at the same time if you do the knob halfway. Or, well, getting too much sprayage there. So I have been using the shower head all this week and it is nice. In fact, my wife used it and now she wants one in her shower as well. The way I would describe it is just kind of a heavy mist just pouring all over your body. I really like the shower head. It was actually sent to me so I could do this review. And I'm going to admit, I am not an expert in shower heads, but this is definitely the nicest one I've used. It just feels so nice having all of that water pouring down on you. I really like it. The handheld nozzle does have a few different settings, so you can do the general spray or a more specific pointed. I never use it because the big main one that goes over your head is just so nice. But in our other showers, we use the handheld a lot for our kids when we need to bathe or shower them. So it is nice for things like that. But overall, really impressed with this shower head. I really like it and highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.